Alrighty, so today I'm going to be day drinking and smoking cigarettes in a public park at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, which I am quite excited to do.
We have never had to put a wall up to keep our people in. Fought an offense against humanity, separating families, dividing husbands and wives and brothers and sisters. I take pride in the word, Ich bin ein Berliner.
Shit. Jesus Christ. Why'd you give me this fucking thing? I thought this was airsoft. I'm never doing that again in my life.